Hello, I'm CONCEPT2 from CONCEPT. Today, we learn about the CONCEPT2 Baikere. It's our new toy, and we should know how to use it properly. We learned about assault air bike last video, so you don't have any problem if you want. Did you watch? Setup for the Baikere. There are numbers that telling you height level at the behind of seat or handle. If your seat set low, don't touch any button. Just pull it up. If you over pull the thing or just want to make it lower a little bit, grab the seat and press the button here. Adjust it slowly and watch your fingers. Okay, we know how to set, but where your seat should be placed. We say seat should be placed where your hip bones are or same level with lifted thigh. If you set the seat in your level, check it out that your legs are not straightened all out while you are riding a bike. Because we don't want to straighten our legs here. You can push the pedals if you straighten your legs, but you can't pull the pedals, which leads to inefficient energy consumption. After your adjustment for the seat is your handle. Most likely, you can set your handle level same with your seat. If your seat level is 3, then your handle level is 3. But for this, if your back hurts when you set it same or lower than the seat level, you can put it a little bit higher until you feel good. By the way, we have one more adjustment in the handle where it's here. Setup for this is again up to your convenience. It could be significantly different by body types, especially with your upper body or arm length. Roll this wheel to unlock. Adjust your handle. And roll the wheel back. You want to grab horizontal handle for easy phase, lower handle for fast phase, and upper handle for powerful aerodynamic. To transport a bike, lift backside of the bike and roll the wheel that attached front side of the bike. Don't lift it too high. Alright, now you know how to play with Baikere. In next video, I will tell you how to use the tempo in the Baikere.